Good evening, my name is Robert. And I am the owner of this company. Please have your sit.
Thank you, Robert. I am Jane Frost. It's nice to meet you.
Okay, Jane, today I will take your interview, so let's start. Welcome to Modern Design Company. We are graphic and editing company. And we are looking for a designer in our company. So, are you fresher?
No, actually, I worked in marketing company, and now I am looking for better opportunity.
So, are you fresher?
Sure, here you go.
Okay, Jane, now tell me a little about yourself.
I went to the University of California and majored in graphic design. I started my career at marketing company. I worked there about 2 years. Now I want to work in a progressive company with more creative members.
Oh, nice. We have a lot of creative departments and designers. And they are so friendly. Hope you will like that.
That's great. I would like to work with them, to share my creativity and learn from others.
So you are a good learner, and this work place is so friendly and comfortable.
Yes, I am so excited.
Okay, Jane, now tell me what is your strength?
I believe my strongest trait is attention to detail, and I have always been a great team player. I am good at keeping a team together and producing quality work in a team environment.
Great, so where do you see yourself in next 5 years?
In 5 years, I see myself as a valued employee of this company. I want to be an expert at my position and start training to be a manager. Also, my goal is to become a lead in 5 years. Although not everyone gets promoted to this level, I believe I can achieve this goal through hard work.
What does success mean to you, Jane?
Success means to achieve a goal I have set. For myself, success means to produce high quality work before the deadline.
Nice answer. Can you work well under pressure?
I enjoy working under pressure because I believe it helps me grow. In my previous experience, I always worked well during deadlines and I always learned how to work more efficiently afterwards.
So how do you make important decisions?
I gather all the information I can find and, based on the information, I'll come to the best decision I can. If I know a coworker was in similar situation, I wouldn't hesitate to find out the results to make sure my decision is the best one.
Okay, Jane, interview done. Do you have any question for me?
No, I think I have a pretty good understanding of the job. I believe that I can handle it with ease, and I hope to have the opportunity to work for you.
Yeah, I hope so. Nice meeting you, Jane. Thank you for coming.
Nice meeting you too, and thank you so much.